In this video, we are going to discuss about nucleic acid and the types of nucleic acids. This is the important topic from biomolecules. Students, you studied that the cell containing different cell organelles. The one of the cell organelles, the important cell organelles, that is nucleus. The important cell organelles, that is nucleus. This nucleus responsible for the transmission of characters from one generation to another generation. The nucleus is responsible for heredity. Nucleus contains chromosomes. Nucleus contains chromosomes. The chromosomes is made up of proteins and nucleic acids. Chromosomes are made up of proteins and nucleic acids. The types of nucleic acids are RNA and DNA. RNA and DNA. Let us see. Nucleic acids. Nucleic acid is a biomolecules which are found in the nuclei of living cells in the form of nucleoprotein. In the form of nucleoprotein. Nucleic acid are also known as polynucleotides. Nucleic acids are also known as polynucleotides because it is a biopolymers in which repeating structural unit is nucleotide. The repeating structural unit is nucleotide. The nucleic acid made up of monomers. Nucleic acid is made up of monomers, that is known as, hence it is known as polynucleotide. Hence it is known as polynucleotide. The nucleic acid is made up of monomer, hence it is called polynucleotide. Then the question arises, what are nucleotides? The question arises, what are nucleotide? The nucleotide, each nucleotide consists of three components. Each nucleotide consists of three components. That is pentose sugar, nitrogen bases, and one third one, that is phosphoric acid. So first one, pentose sugar. In this, look at this structure, students. That is Furanius ring, and here this is beta D ribose. This is present in RNA. The sugar present in RNA is beta D ribose. The sugar present in RNA is beta D ribose. If the sugar present in is DNA, that is, if you replace this OH by H, you will get beta D deoxyribose. Beta D 2 deoxyribose. This sugar present in DNA. Okay. Next, nitrogenous bases. Heterocyclic compounds containing two or more nitrogen atoms. The heterocyclic ring contains two or more nitrogen atoms in the ring skeleton. It is called nitrogenous bases. There are two types of nitrogenous bases. The first one, purine bases, and second one, pyrimidine bases. Purine bases, these are adenine, that is represented by A, and guanine, that is G. In pyrimidine bases, that is uracil, that is represented by U, cytosine, that is C, and thymine, that is T. Okay. In DNA, the bases present in DNA is AGCT. ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಹೆಂಗಂತಂದರೆ AGCT ಅಂತಂದರೆ DNA, AGCU ಅಂತಂದರೆ RNA. The nitrogenous bases are present in DNA is AGCT. AGC ಅಂತರೂ ಎರಡು RNA ಮತ್ತು DNA ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಥೈಮಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯುರಾಸಿಲ್. DNA ಒಳಗಡೆ AGCT ಇರ್ತದೆ, RNA ಒಳಗಡೆ AGCU ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಈ ಥರ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, Third one, phosphoric acid, H3PO4. Okay. It forms esters with hydroxy groups of sugars. It forms esters with hydroxy groups of sugars. And the structure of phosphoric acid, P double bond O, OH, OH, OH. This is the structure of phosphoric acid, and it is common in both RNA and DNA. Next, difference between nucleotide and nucleoside. Difference between nucleotide and nucleoside. In a nucleotide, there are three components present, that is sugar, base and phosphoric acid. In a nucleoside, the components, two components are present, that is sugar plus base, sugar and base. In a nucleotide, there are three components present, that is sugar, base, phosphoric acid. In a nucleoside, there are two components present, that is sugar and base. And look at the structure. Here there is a sugar, and to this sugar at the first position the base is present. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಒಂದನೇ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಸ್ಫರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ಫಾಸ್ಫರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸೈಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಫಾಸ್ಫರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ difference between nucleotide and nucleoside. Okay, so next, ಈ nucleotide, so another, the addition of another nucleotide, the nucleotide, the addition of another nucleotide, the condensation of both nucleotides with the elimination of water molecule, with the elimination of water molecule, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಡೈನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ combined together or joined together by with the condensation of water molecule, it forms dinucleotide, and there is a linkage between both nucleotide, that linkage is called ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಡೈಸ್ಟರ್ ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವು ಎರಡು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಯಿಂಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಡೈಸ್ಟರ್ ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ, ಇವು ಎರಡು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಇವು ಎರಡು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಡೈನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಹೌದಾ, ಸೊ ಈ ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಡೈಸ್ಟರ್ ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, next, the difference between DNA and RNA. DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, ribonucleic acid, RNA. The sugar present in DNA, that is 2-deoxy-D-ribose. The sugar present in ribonucleic acid is D-ribose. ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ RNAದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ದು ಎಚ್ ಅಟಮ್ನ OH ಅಟಮನ್ನು ಎಚ್ ಅಟಮ್ಲೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ DNA, 2-deoxy-D-ribose. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಆಕ್ಸಿರೈಬೋನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. DNA ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜೇನಿಯಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ AGCT. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. AGCT, the nitrogenous bases are present in DNA, and AGCU are present in RNA. The double-stranded alpha helix. The DNA contains double-stranded alpha helix structure. So let us discuss the double-stranded alpha helix structure. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, that is running from 5' to 3', and one more strand that is running from 3' to 5', 3' to 5', and these are the two strands in DNA molecule run in opposite direction. These two strands in DNA molecule held together by hydrogen bonds. These two strands in DNA molecule held together by hydrogen bonds. Okay, the hydrogen bonds taking place between specific pairs. The hydrogen bond taking place by between specific pairs. These two strands are complementary to each other. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು, that is the adenine of the one strand, the base adenine of the one strand pairs with thymine of the another strand. Similarly, guanine pairs with cytosine of other strand. Okay, so AGCT one strand do that bonds with another or pairs with another basis, that is another strand of basis, that is guanine. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, then these two strands are complementary to each other. These two strands are complementary to each other. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ A adenine pairs with thymine. Okay, so these are the nitrogenous bases of one strand, and these are the nitrogenous bases of another strand. There is a sequence. Okay, and this sequence of nitrogenous bases in one strand, and you can determine the sequence of nitrogenous bases in other strand. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಹೆಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಡಿ ಎನ್ ಎ ಒಳಗಡೆ. RNAದಾಗ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಹೆಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಹೆಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದ DNA cheaply occurs in nucleus. DNA cheaply occurs in nucleus, and RNA mainly occurs in cytoplasm. RNA mainly occurs in cytoplasm. The unique property of replication. DNA has unique property of replication. RNA does not replicate. RNA does not replicate. Next, DNA controls transmission of hereditary. DNA controls transmission of hereditary. RNA controls synthesis of protein. RNA controls synthesis of protein. These are the important differences between DNA and RNA. Structure of nucleic acid. Structure of nucleic acid. The polynucleotides that are made up of monomers of repeated monomers of nucleotide. This is the nucleotide. This is one more nucleotide, and they are condensation to they undergo condensation to form dinucleotide. They undergo condensation to form dinucleotide. ಇದು ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್, ಇದು OH ಮತ್ತು ಶುಗರ್ದು OH ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ವಿತ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್, ವಿತ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಡೈನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ nucleotide to this, we will get polynucleotide. Okay, thank you.